Hello and good evening to everyone. Here to the final day. After 38 matches, we are up to the final of the Bank Alphala presents Inverex Solar Energy National T20 for the year 2025. The two finalists, Peshawar region versus Lahore Blues. Alright, alongside me, Katie, for this final. Look at the side, unchanged Peshawar. How do you see them? Good on paper, good on field.
Well, absolutely. There are a lot of players to watch out for. Shahzada Farhan to be one highlight of a player. Israrullah Waqar. Ma Sadakat is in a good form as well. Nizar Usman with his bowling strength and Irfan as well. So it's a good side, unchanged. We'll go full flash for the final. Talking about Lahore Blues, another unchanged side, they will also go full flash. They are in supreme bowling form at the moment, bowling exceptionally well throughout. Nisar, Salman, Qasim, Irfan, and if you talk about Hussain Talat, has been bowling exceptionally well in the death overs. Umar Siddiqui and Imran, of course, with the bat have been exceptional.
And a deep third for Sahibzada Farhan. And you have a mid-off on the offside. There we go, final. And straight away off the mark, Farhan and Peshawar with a single. So a reasonably good score can produce results. And there, what a shot. Straight bat down the line. First boundary of the night and of the final. It's a bit of a change. Oh, it's gone through. And it's gone through. A boundary to start off with. I was just going to say that they've used Irfan. Oh, good night. That is a beautiful delivery. Second time being used in the power play after the quarterfinals. What a delivery. Nowhere close to that line. Waqar loses his stumps. What a strike that is.
It's a fair delivery by Irfan. And what a ball. Completely missing the line. Completely missing the break from the bowler. Waqar with two boundaries goes for 9, 10 for 1.
Farhan picks that one up nice and easy. He's in such a good form that the length doesn't matter. He gets onto it so quickly. Wow, beautiful. Balls that one full outside off. And he's so ever ready to open the face of the bat and play it past point. Shouting loud, gone. He's got no bat into it, says Asif Yaqub. They've lost 2 in the power play. And this time it's Salman who strikes with a very full delivery. That's a very big wicket. Ma Sadakat is a good batter.
Well, Salman, the last delivery was a miss, and this time this ball coming in to Ma Sadakat. Right in the middle. Salman was very confident and it's given by the umpire. Second wicket falls for Peshawar. Ma Sadakat goes for 1, 23 for 2.
Yes, that is good. That is good. I could see it. So could Ehsan Raza. And they are right on top at the moment. Sahibzada Farhan is still there, but the other side has just opened a floodgate.
As you can see, he is getting the turn. They're getting the turn. They're using it in their favor. Qasim Akram strikes. First wicket for him, third wicket for Peshawar. Israrullah goes for 2, 26 for 3.
और राइट एरियाज में बॉलिंग करते हैं. इनको रन्स करने के लिए रिस्क लेना पड़ता है. जैसे ये स्ट्रोक खेला है विकेट के बीच में से, अगर इसको मिस करते तो फिर ये काफी महंगा साबित हो सकता था.
हवा में और शानदार कैच मोहम्मद रिजवान ने लिया अपने फॉलो थ्रू में. गेंद रुक कर आई और साहबजादा फरहान जो बैटिंग के कोहे गिरां थे वो आज उनकी एक नहीं चली. और रिजवान ने जल्दी ही ये कामयाबी समेटी।
लाहौर के लिए कंफर्ट जोन नहीं थी। ये देखिए अगेन स्टंप टू स्टंप बॉल कराया और वहां से जब वो वर्क करने गए हैं तो आज पिच में वो वाला फ्लो नहीं था और शायद बॉल थोड़ा ग्रिप हुआ, इसी वजह से गेंद भी हवा में गई है। साहिबजादा फरहान इस टूर्नामेंट के बेहतरीन प्लेयर बाय फार, लेकिन आज इस बड़े दिन उन्हें 17 पे जाना होगा और लाहौर इस मैच में एक मजबूत गिरफ्त में 38 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर पेशावर।
Down the wicket, he'll take that chance, hit it straight, and you're almost in the safe zone. That's gone all the way. Imran Butt, good fielder, tried his best, but the ball has sailed over. Another boundary here. It's a good over coming in, ending it with 11 off it. Wow, good shot, man. Good shot. Inside out, playing into the gap. That's 4. That's a shot of class. It's not an easy shot to play down the wicket and then opening the face.
और ये टॉप एज और फील्डर पीछे हैं और लाजवाब कैच। और इस बार फरहान यूसुफ नहीं, मोहम्मद रिजवान थे। और लाहौर ने इस टूर्नामेंट में जो कैचेस पकड़े हैं उनकी जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए वो कम। ये नाकाबिले यकीन था।
दोबारा इरफान कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे बॉलिंग। स्वीप खेलने की कोशिश की है, बाउंड्री तक ये बॉल पहुंच नहीं सका, सर्कल के बाहर ही बेहतरीन कैच किया है आगे की तरफ डाइव करके। जानते हैं हर विकेट की कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस है इस वक्त। इरफान दोबारा ब्रेक थ्रू देने में कामयाब रहे हैं लाहौर ब्लूज को। मोहम्मद जुल्किफल 32 रन बना के वापस।
अच्छा शॉट, स्क्वायर कट किया, 4 रन। रिजवान को ज्यादा मोहलत नहीं मिली गेंद को रोकने की। और एक हाथ से खेल गए और गेंद के नीचे गलत फील्डर हैं, इसलिए बैट्समैन का बचना मुहाल था। ये ताड़ने वाला साबित हुई। फरहान यूसुफ के आसपास आपको गेंद हवा में खेलने से इज्तनाब करना चाहिए।
सलमान एक और ब्रेक थ्रू देने में कामयाब रहे हैं। बहुत दूर से खेला है ये शॉट, उन्होंने पहुंच नहीं पाए। आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप की बॉल थी। कितनी आसानी से अपनी आंखों के सामने कैच लिया है, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ। कोई प्रेशर नजर नहीं आ रहा फरहान के चेहरे पे।
जी हाँ, गलत फील्डर की तरफ खेलने का नतीजा कि अपने विकेट से हाथ धो बैठे। आमिर 88 पर 6।
Yeah, that's poor bowling. A rare bad delivery from Nisar onto his leg stump. Easy pickings.
Wonderfully bowled, and umpire has no doubt. He raises the finger, and this block hole delivery has been the key for the bowlers who have been successful delivering it perfectly. Another wicket with the Yorker.
The batter is not safe on the other end. Right in the block hole. Asking for trouble. Bullseye. That's hitting middle stump for sure. Nizar scored 1 of 9 deliveries. It's 99 for 7. Peshawar struggling. And he starts off with a big one, but not quite big. There is a fielder who makes no mistake. Qasim Akram. Lahore Blues are a very good fielding side and they're showing it here in the final. That's the 4th one for Salman Mirza.
Comes in straight away and he tries to be an Iron Man and now has to leave. And Iftikhar is not amused, he's not happy with what he has just seen at the other end. And now his explanation is worth nothing because the decision that he took has backfired. Mohammad Amir Khan dismissed for a golden duck as Peshawar lose their 8th. And talk about big hitting, there's a chance, and this is that's Top Gun. This is the gun fielder underneath and he makes no mistake. And Nisar picks up his first wicket. More disappointment in Peshawar's dugout, and Lahore, for them it's jubilation, picking up Iftikhar, and it is 101 for 9.
Yeah, that whip again, that hard length that Nisar bowls at makes it tougher for that swing and the batter to come underneath it. And Lahore Blues, they're dropping nothing in this tournament. 34 runs he scored. It's 101 for 9.
This is a good strike. This might go for a 6. Yes, it does. So Hussain Tallat bowling a pace on ball and in the slot. This is something you can't do on this pitch. What a wonderful cricket shot that is. Straight bat.
Where were you earlier? Peshawar has been searching for such shots for a long time. That's a picture perfect. Hold there for the pose, for the photographers. Last one. Beaten. Chance of a run out. Not happening. 1 run taken on the very last deliveries. Bye is given by the umpire S.N. Raza as Peshawar Region's inning ends at just 110 after losing 9 wickets. It's the second lowest total in National T20 finals ever. They will be disappointed. Iftikhar and Sabzada Farhan, a lot was dependent on them. But on a big final, it couldn't do much. But all credits to this man on your screen, Hussain Tallat Salman. Yeah, turned out to be a match-winning effort. It might turn out. Look at this. This is what Peshawar region would not want to see. 32 and 34 from Zulfikar and Iftikhar, as they only managed 110 runs, losing 9 wickets in their 20 overs. Yeah, one performance stands out. That's Salman Mirza right at the top. 4 wickets for 21, 2 for Irfan, 1 for Qasim, 1 for Nisar, 1 for Rizwan. Peshawar to just 110, and now the required 111 runs at 5.55 run rate. That run chase is coming your way after the break.
औसत से रन बनाने पावर प्ले खासा इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा.
बैकफुट पर खेलने के लिए गए, गेंद सीधी आ गई आम के साथ. जहां ये पहली गेंद पर ये चौका, ये ओवर पिच थी, अगले कदम पर आए और इसे एक्स्ट्रा कवर की जानिब ड्राइव कर दिया उमर सिद्दीक ने. बॉलर नहीं था और ये गैर मामूली गेंद नहीं थी. शॉर्ट और वाइड और पूरा मौका मैसर आया और ये तोहफा दोनों हाथों से वसूल किया बट ने. फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेटर हैं और ये खराब गेंदों का बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं मनाते और इसे उड़ा मारा लॉन्ग लेग बाउंड्री के बाहर. ये पहला छक्का लाहौर की इनिंग्स का.
बहुत छोटे मार्जिन है यहाँ पर, ऐसी बॉलिंग नहीं चल सकती है पेशावर की जानिब से. लेग साइड की बॉल थी, आसानी स्वीप किया है इन्होंने.
हवा में खेल गए, गेंद हालांकि पूरी तरह बल्ले पर नहीं आई, लेकिन नतीजा वही जिसका लाहौर ख्वाहिशमंद था. और उमर सिद्दीक और मिड विकेट का रुख किया. 4 रन और खुलकर वार किया उमर सिद्दीक ने. और ये इलाका हमेशा से लेफ्ट हैंडर्स का रहा है. मोहम्मद आमिर खान आए हैं, ये क्लीद बॉलर हैं लेकिन विड्थ दे बैठे ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर. और अच्छा शॉट खेल दिया उमर ने.
Yeah, Eli probably he's gone. Yes, he's been given by the umpire, and it was a useless stroke, and he's brought his own demise. There was no reason to play like that, and just the pressure of not picking the ball.
That's a fair delivery, just having a second look. This is a shot of desperation, really, because he wasn't able to put him away, so he tried a reverse, and he's got some bat onto it, yes. That's the first wicket down, and the score is 45.
और ये झलक देखिए इस शानदार फ्लैट छक्के की. गेंद ज्यादा बल्ले से लगकर उछली नहीं, मगर दूर तलक गई. यहां पर 2 रन आएंगे और 2 और भी आ जाएंगे. यहां पीछे नहीं हटा सके सफाई के साथ निज़ार अली. और इस बार बाहरी किनारा लगा, गेंद बहुत ज्यादा फाइन चली गई और मौका नहीं मिल सका वहां पर उस्मान को। 4 रन का और इजाफा, ज्यादा अच्छी फॉर्म में लगे और ये मुकम्मल हो गई। एक और शानदार इनिंग्स जो मुद्दतों याद रहेगी, क्योंकि फाइनल्स में जब आप मैच विनिंग इनिंग्स खेलती हैं तो वो भुलाए नहीं भूलती। और इस दातो तहसीन के ये हकदार हैं, पूरे 36 गेंदों में 50 रन बनाए।
Yeah, that's not a good ball. On the toes, swinging in a little too much, just glanced away nicely for a boundary by Umar. Straight over the bowler's head. One bounce and into the fence. Another boundary now required in single digits to win this title.
As this one is cut and cut in the gap, and this should be a certain boundary. No chance for the deep fieldsman. Lahore inch closer to the title.
110. Scores are now level. Junaid, yeah, that's it. Lahore Blues win this National T20 Cup with a huge margin of 9 wickets. What a fantastic performance it has been from this side. Everybody chipping in, everybody knowing the role, playing accordingly and winning it for the team themselves.
Yes, spectacular scenes there from Lahore. All the young guns are out there in the middle, enjoying their win, enjoying the title, and hugs all across, smiles on the faces. For Peshawar, they definitely walked in as the favourites, but what has ended is a one-sided game.
Amazing scenes for Lahore Blues. Lots of credit to them. This is the biggest win as far as wickets are concerned in the history of National T20. This is how things happened. 111 the target. They did it without any fuss, without any trouble whatsoever. Umar Siddique, the man, stood there till the end for his 64 runs. He was well supported by Junaid for his 30 runs. Imran Butt the only man out on 11. But they made sure that they win this game and become the champions of National T20 Cup.
The bowling card for Peshawar, and it's nothing of much impression over there. Just the 1 wicket for Usman Tariq, who really bowled well, had the batters clueless, and the others just tried hard, but really there wasn't anything that they could present to dent the chase of Lahore Blues. It was just too good on the part of Lahore.